Hello, I'm Patagaw Talimalaw. I'm the Secretary General of the World Indigenous Television and Broadcasters Network. I'm from the Taiwan tribe. In my opinion, two of the most important elements of indigenous journalism is perspective and reciprocity. The perspective we deliver through our journalism work comes with our indigenous background, the nature of storytelling, with the concept of our people's interaction and relationship with Mother Earth and other human beings. Reciprocity is what we need to keep in mind when we write a story, write a news report, or tell a story. What is the purpose of the story, one particular news story that we choose? Could our story ultimately make contribution in any shape or form to the subject matter, to our people, or to indigenous community as a whole? For me, indigenous journalism is not only critical to the future of our people. The story we write today and how we write it would define how our children or our next generation define themselves as an indigenous. Indigenous journalism is also crucial to how our society would see us, understand us as indigenous people in 2 or 3 decades later. Sharing is the core value of our people, of our culture. Join us today to tell your story from your perspective.